Are robots taking over the world? Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Now get ready to be amazed because today we're stepping into a world where the boundaries of science fiction and reality blur. We're talking about something that could completely redefine how work gets done in our factories and industries. Now imagine robots that are not just smart, but also incredibly strong and precise, taking on tasks that were once thought impossible for machines. This isn't some distant future vision. It's happening right now thanks to Kepler Robotics and their groundbreaking Kepler K2 Bumblebee. You definitely don't want to miss this. Now let's talk about something huge. Kepler Robotics is launching the world's first humanoid robot endurance challenge, a live 8-hour stream where the Kepler K2 Bumblebee will operate non-stop to prove its real-world durability. Now, this isn't a lab demo. This is an actual test of strength, stamina, and intelligence, all streamed live. There's 8 full hours of continuous action. No cuts, no pauses. It's a first of its kind event, and it's going to show exactly what this robot is capable of. So, what exactly sets this robot apart from anything else out there? Basically, Kepler Robotics isn't just dabbling in robotics. They're on a mission to rethink productivity from the ground up. The Kepler K2 Bumblebee is nothing short of a marvel. Standing at 175 centimeters and weighing 75 kilograms, it's built to work tirelessly after just 1 hour charge. Within 52 degrees of freedom, it moves with precision, agility, and grace, perfect for both industrial tasks and dynamic motion challenges. Now, let's talk strength. The Kepler K2 Bumblebee can lift around 30 kilograms using its dual arms, perfect for repetitive factory tasks or warehouse operations. And with 80% of its core parts developed in-house, Kepler keeps performance high and costs under control. Now for the tech guts of this beast. The Kepler Gear planetary roller screw actuator delivers a peak load of 8,200 newtons with 81.3% efficiency. Absolutely crazy. That's backed by more than 2,200 precision teeth and 128 process steps down to a 3 micrometer tolerance. And the rotary actuator, which hits 220 newtons meters of torque and 0.01 degree positioning accuracy, and you're looking at serious industrial grade performance. But it's not just muscle. The robot's hands have 11 degrees of freedom and 25 contact points per finger with a 6-axis force sensor in their wrist. That means that it can handle fragile or detailed work just as easily as heavy lifting. It's like giving your best technicians superhuman stamina. And then comes the brain. The Kepler K2 Bumblebee runs on a neuromorphic system that integrates sensory input, audio, visual, and tactile to make real-time decisions and act autonomously. Backed by a platform that handles 100 trillion operations per second, this is no ordinary machine. It thinks fast, reacts faster, and learns from every single move. Kepler's Nebula System ties everything together. Basically, it powers high-fidelity simulations, modular upgrades, vision, motion, and voice control, plus over-the-air updates. Visual programming makes it easy to control, and multi-robot coordination means it scales with your needs. And after the 8-hour endurance stream, it's not just walking back and forth. This will be interactive. Expect to see the Kepler K2 Bumblebee dancing, doing celebrity impersonations, sorting packages, lifting boxes, the full spectrum of its capabilities shown live in action without interruption. Kepler Robotics isn't building gimmicks. They're building workforce-ready humanoid robots that can take over tough, risky, and repetitive jobs. It's not about replacing people. It's about unlocking better ways to work and boosting efficiency across the board. Sure, it takes investment and smart integration to bring one of these into your workflow. But the upside, massive. We're talking continuous performance, better safety, and long-term cost savings. That's the kind of future forward move serious industries are starting to make. So, Are you ready to witness this 8-hour robotic marathon? Make sure to tune in and watch the Kepler K2 Bumblebee prove itself live. This isn't just another tech showcase. This is a new era for robotics, and it's happening in real time. So if you're curious to learn more, definitely head over to the gotokepler.com and get all the details that you need. And if you want to stay in the loop with the latest breakthroughs in robotics and AI, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with all your favorite thoughts and opinions. And as always, keep in mind that we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that review on our channel, so do your own due diligence. We've got so many more incredible tech stories coming your way. So having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.